All right, as requested, a demo video turning this into this guy, a full 35-pound sandbag with no sand at all. So you take the dry StormBag and you toss it in some water, and if you want to make it happen a little bit faster, you can sort of agitate the water a little bit, or you can just leave it there, and about 3 minutes later you're going to go from that small bag to a fully hydrated 35-pound StormBag, which can be used to make a wall just like you would do with any traditional sandbag. They're also great for soaking up spills and containing leaks. So, you can leave a couple of these behind your washing machine in case something breaks. It'll absorb a bunch of water while you go try to figure out how to shut it off. You take a look at this one, sort of already starting to plump up. And hopefully by the end of this video, you're gonna see another one just like this. Some common questions about the StormBag that I saw. How do you dispose of it? You know what, actually, Brandon, why don't you give me your knife? I'll cut this one open. The inside of this thing has a super absorbent polymer that is actually non-toxic and biodegradable. And we'll cut this one open for fun and take a look inside of it. Yeah, so this gel here, which is the inside of the StormBag, like I said, is both non-toxic and biodegradable. The StormBag itself is burlap, and there's a linen liner on the inside, so there's no plastics or anything harmful to the environment. This stuff is actually really great for trees, and we sell a lot to nurseries. They use them to keep their trees hydrated in sort of drought conditions. So this bag here is starting to plump up a little bit, as you can see. We're doing this inside of this cardboard box right now that has a plastic lining. If you order a box of 50, you're going to get this box with this lining, and it will work perfectly for hydrating bags. This will also, of course, save some water. But if you wanted to, you could lay out a whole line of these things and run a hose over it for a few minutes. You'd have the same effect. All right, you can see the water level in this box is going down quite a bit as this bag is sort of already starting to plump up like that. Just give it a little bit more time and it's gonna look just like that other one. And this one has been out here for a few minutes, a little bit of water dripping out of the burlap, but otherwise this polymer is holding the gel and it will stay like this for about 1 week.